Great. So now you can go shopping, ma'am.
Okay, let's see. Is this the card?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, there are nice stuff. What to buy? What to buy? I'll buy this big jumbo. Yeah, cool. Well, I'll also buy this. Not in this anymore, not in chest. Oh, I'm gonna buy this. Oh, this looks cool. This trendy thing. Yeah, I'll buy this. I'll buy this.
An hour later.
Stop picking like this. I don't know. This looks cool. I'll buy it. There, that's all I'm gonna buy. Hot mess.
Oh, ma'am. I'm gonna go to the cash register, you know.
Okay.
Hey, ma'am, what did you like to order?
I didn't order.
Okay. Yes. So
I buy.
this is getting a lot. So let's go and fix it. Hey, so let's go get a paper bag, guys.
Guys, I got the paper bag.
Let's go check it out.
Tick, tick.
Okay, let's go put everything now. Okay, guys, things are packed. Here, ma'am. So
Oh,
it would
thank
cost
you.
a total for $200.
200. Wait, I'll play that. Not 200. I swear I had it. Where is it? There.
Ramsey, would you like this? We have a lot of these.
Oh, yeah, sure. I'll get 2 of those.
Okay. So it makes 800.
800. I don't have 800. How?
You can add 500 and then maybe you add 300 here.
Sorry, but there is no 300. So I'll just be doing 200 and.
Mom, may I see your money? I think you don't not know how to calculate. So there's Mom, you have a 500. Yeah. Add another 100 and another
yeah.
100.
I know another 100.
Okay. So now you have 300.
Oh, okay.
So 500. Wait, Mom.
Money. Money. Okay,
Yeah, Mom. Here. Wait, joke. That's my pay. I forgot. Sorry, Mom. But let's go give you the money now.
Okay.
So we will. How much pay would you like?
Just 1,000.
Oh, that takes away everything.
300.
What do you mean 300?
I don't know. A 500. A 100.
She's taking everything away, Mom.
What is it then?
Take anything but cheaper because you're taking everything.
20.
Hey, bye guys. So that is the end of the video. Bye. Bye. Bye guys. Goodbye.
Oh.
Hi guys. Today we will be playing fidget selling. So those are the Dimples puppets and random. These are the squishmallows. So now let's begin. If you guys didn't like and share, please subscribe, like, and share, guys. So yeah, so now let's begin. 3, 2, 1. Wow, today's a very nice day. But I'm waiting for my customer. I'm just gonna go wait. I wonder when she's gonna come. I hope she's a good customer. Who's this? Come in. Oh, hi. Wow, it's been a nice day here. I don't look like a customer. I'm looking for next. Sorry, you're not my customer. Bye. Oh, guys, this wasn't the customer. Ugh. Okay, let's just go. Keep waiting. There's someone knocking again. Come in.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
I want to buy some fidgets.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot my money. I'll go get it.
Oh, guys, she's still gonna go. So maybe we need a little fixing in after so she can buy a lot. Okay, so dimples are nicely fixed, but let's put it up a little. So these are nice and fixed. These are, what is that? Okay, Joe, guys, that is nicely fixed. So let's go get my money too, guys. Wait, guys, teleport version. So let's go get my money over here. Let's go back to our store.
So, I'm already here.
Oh, I didn't know that. So, ma'am, can you please wait, ma'am?